Welcome to Health Life Guru. Today we will be going over some reasons why you need to eat more garlic. Garlic is a staple in many kitchens across the world, used to transform dishes with its distinct flavor and aroma. Not only does it add a powerful punch of flavor to food recipes, but garlic also has numerous health benefits. Keep watching to learn more about why you should be eating more garlic. Boosts immune system. One of the most important benefits of garlic is its ability to help boost your immune system and fight off infections. Garlic has powerful antiviral, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties that can help reduce the severity and duration of colds and flus. Garlic also contains sulfur compounds like allicin, which have been found to have potent antioxidant effects that can help protect your cells from damage. Improves heart health. Garlic is also well known for its cardiovascular benefits. Studies have shown that regular consumption of garlic can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce high blood pressure, and even improve the elasticity of arteries. It's also thought to be able to reduce the buildup of plaque in your heart's arteries, helping to keep them flexible and promoting better overall circulation. Promotes healthy digestion. Garlic contains dietary fiber, which helps to keep your digestive system healthy and functioning properly, as well as probiotic compounds that can help maintain the balance of beneficial bacteria in your gut. Garlic also has antimicrobial properties, which can help protect against harmful pathogens like H. pylori. Strengthens bone health. Studies have found that garlic can increase the absorption of calcium in the body, helping to keep bones healthy and strong. Garlic is also a good source of other minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese, which are important for bone health. May reduce risk of cancer. Garlic has been found to have powerful antioxidant properties, which can help protect cells from damage, and even inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Studies have also found that regular consumption of garlic may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer such as stomach, colon, and prostate cancers. In conclusion, garlic is a powerhouse of nutrition and has numerous health benefits. So don't forget to add some extra garlic the next time you're cooking. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.